Okay, here I'm going to show you how you can quickly uninstall a whole bunch of apps at the same time, but I want to be absolutely clear. If you do this and you fuck it up, it's on you. So don't do this unless you're comfortable with the fact you might have to bring it back in and pay someone to redo it. Okay, so if you click in the top right hand corner on the 9 dots, let's grab my other remote here. Go over here to the 9 dots. Your box should currently have ES File Explorer on it. If it doesn't, you should at least be able to install it, no problem. What you're going to do here is you're going to go down the left-hand side, and somewhere in there you should see Tools. And when you go down a little bit, you should see Root Explorer. When you click on Root Explorer, you're going to have the option to click on a one-key uninstall. Click on that. This isn't going to work on all boxes, should work on all main ones ever supplied by me, unless for some reason they don't have root. There's very, very few of them. You can very quickly determine the list of all the applications that are currently on your box. Say like the old Android Free TV Movies build. Say you had the old Tubi, which doesn't work, and say you didn't want Viva anymore, or you didn't want the... say you wanted to uninstall multiple things at the same time. Now this is where you're going to have to use a little bit of common sense. Don't be uninstalling like your launchers or things like that. You're going to wreck your box. Only uninstall things that you know are installed, you know don't work, and you know you don't want. Don't go too random with this. Highlight all the ones that you want by left-clicking on each one individually. Click on uninstall. And give it a few moments. If your box is really slow and crappy, this could take a long time and seem like it's taking forever. It's the quickest way to uninstall multiple things quickly, easily, and fast. Do not uninstall things if you do not know what they are. Do not uninstall things in root access if you do not know what they are, or you can end up with a lot of problems. But it's a quick way to uninstall things very, very quickly, and you can do it yourself. Just buyer beware. It holds a lot of power with this tool here, and if you start playing around in ES File Explorer, you're going to wreck your box and you're going to need to buy a new one. So, but if you want to uninstall things quickly, the same way I do, that's exactly how I do it. Any questions or comments, go to support.androidfreetv.ca, or you can use the old school, simple, easy method, one at a time. Doesn't require you to learn any new skills, and at the same time, unlikely you're ever going to break anything. If you decide that you do not want something on your box, all you have to do is an individual highlight it, press and hold OK, and it will give you the option to uninstall it if you can. Now, if you press and hold OK, give it a few moments. If it doesn't give you the option to uninstall, it means I put it on your box as a system app and you can't get rid of it. If you press and hold OK and choose uninstall, that means that you're set up in such a way that it's easy to uninstall. So either way works. This way is a little bit slower. You have to go through each thing individually. If you want to, you can add multiple things to your front screen. The nice part about doing it this way is some things you can't uninstall because they're not for you to be able to do that. And it's going to let you know by just giving you an error and saying there's no way to uninstall it. Things that you can uninstall will give you the option to uninstall. So again, that's the quick, and then that's the slow way. Both ways work well. One's safer than the other. Any questions or comments, of course? Support.androidfreetv.ca.